What's up, JD? I'm reviewing trades. I'm reviewing a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna see if I can grab a short at open within the first 20 minutes, half hour for the night. I want to see what happens. Yeah. Just getting on, chilling out. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, if you're new here, say what's up. I'm just going over some of the stuff I did today, some of the trades I took, some stocks, some options, some of this, some of that. Yo, no, I'm really looking for the short here. If we're below, I just feel like we could take a big short down. I feel it in my bones. I just figured also it was a good time to hang out. Anybody's got questions, great time to ask. It doesn't really get better than now to ask because I could show you whatever. Up here, I want to see us dump. I want to see the big dump. I'm just looking, like when I look at the hourly, I'm looking at, us. We literally retested this inversion twice, and now I want to see us come down. Yo, head into the meeting. This is where I want to see us get below. This would like be my trigger. We get below here. I would probably say that we're going to come down. I set my alert. Actually would look really good to kind of reject here, and then you'd make your way all the way, probably, not in one day, but that would be a freaking awesome move. Just something like this, you had an inversion here, you retested it, right? And then you dropped. Kind of the same thing. Inversion to the downside, have a bounce, do not make higher highs, get rejected in the fair value gap inversion, and then come back down. That's all. What up, Discipline? What up? What up? That's kind of what I was looking for. I'm waiting for the market to open. I want to see how we react. I just figured I'd come on early. If anybody's got questions, I probably have answers. I'll open up some ducks for everybody. I'll open up some ducks. Give everybody the ducks. And then yeah, I really want to see this open. And people have asked me about the trades we've been taking overnight. So I'm kind of hot on this short. We're right where I would want to take it. So that's why I wanted to come on. What up, Sean? I'm just reviewing my fucking holdings for everything I'm in. I'm looking to take a short here at open. Would be nice, or within the first half, I guess. Oh man. I just figured it's a good time to ask questions. Anybody who's got questions, now is the time to throw it out there. I'll show you what I was looking at also. What up, Jim? I also came on. I was reviewing this. I don't know if you guys trade stocks or options, but this is what I'm currently in. So today overall up 3,200 bucks. I sold out of some stuff. I had a Netflix short I covered on. Yo, what up, Ian? I had a Netflix. You want to load up poker? I don't know if I'm going to play poker tonight. I'm waiting to open, and then I'm gonna take a freaking. I'm looking to take a short. Is what I was looking for. I don't know if I'm going to get it. I just figured if people had questions, now is the time to come on and ask. If I take the short, what do I want to take it in? Probably want one of these. One of these accounts. Seeing what I got here. Oh, they updated it already. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 days. I just have to get over the buffer and I can get another payout in this account. I've had this account, this elite account, for 46 trading days. 46 trading days I've had this account right here. I've taken 3 or 4 payouts with it already. Just working it up. What up, Corey? Yeah, I mean 46 trading days. I've had it since let's see. The first day I traded with it was July 21st. August, September. So we're going on month 3. Yeah, we're going on month 3. If I didn't take a 1 day, actually, in this pay cycle, I hit 2 days. I got smoked where I took a $2,500 loss. If I didn't have those days, this account would be up a crazy amount. Yo, why not? I'm looking to possibly take a short, honestly. I also said I'd come on. I'd hang out. If anybody had questions, good time to ask. I was reviewing a couple things, so I figured, why not? Why not? Why not? You know? I was reviewing my my options shit, my stocks. I was going over the trade I'm looking for overnight. And I just figured I'd come on and see how the market opened and see what we can do. Billions and billions. Oh, this fucking duck. What should I eat tonight? What are you thinking? Sushi? Thinking sushi, maybe? I'm fucking hungry, though. I'm probably going to stay on here for like an hour or so, though. I want to get this short. Yo, fried chicken? No, we were just talking about what's the best fried chicken. I'm not eating fried chicken tonight. Yo, I got to call AD up. Send me some Fukujima. I need some Fukujima sushi. Where's he at? Yo, I think he's getting up around now, too. I'm just looking. Oh, baby. Lighten it up, baby. Yo, where at? Knob. What was it called? Was it the Outback? Did you go to the Outback? I'm looking at. I'm looking it up right now. The website doesn't really have any pictures on it. All right, let's see. Let's see the Google reviews. Show me the photos. Is there something going on tonight? I just said I would come on if anybody had questions. I'm looking for a short, and I'm just kind of watching and waiting, relaxing and breathing. Oh, dude, that's a massive fucking steakhouse, bro. See, I've only been to like, where the fuck is that anyways? What road is that on? Oh, it's on US 1? Dude, that's US 1? Yo, I'm trying to find where my old apartment was, dude. Yo, it looks really good. Ribeye? You eat ribeye? Dude, where was the Fuddruckers? I used to be by the Fuddruckers. It closed. Where was it? I got to look at where this was on the map because Fuddruckers was right there. Okay, so I was right off of fucking. Yeah, so that was 18 that I lived off of, I guess. I got to find my. Actually, you know what? Watch this. Let's see. Yo, it's so funny. I got to find where my fucking old address was. I can't fucking find it. I can't find it. But I was up there. Dude, they have garden apartments where I was. I'm just trying to think. I used to take US 1. I used to take US 1. I was right by the fucking Fuddruckers, though. Fuddruckers was like just north of me. I think I was off of 18. I think I was off of 18 and I was in a little fucking garden apartment somewhere. I gotta find it. That'll be my mission. See what my old address is. Yeah, I was Route 118. The turnpike was there, but I never fucking used the turnpike really. Yeah, I never really used the turnpike. I remember by my apartment, by my old apartment, there was definitely like a school behind me. Dude, I think this is it. Are those houses or I think those are garden apartments. Yeah, those are garden apartments. That's where I used to. Oh, it is. Oh, dude, I found my old fucking address. That's it. I remember the street name. Oh, I remember the street name. Yep. Yep, that was it. Bro, that's crazy. Actually, I know exactly where my apartment was. Dude. The only reason I remember that is I walked behind my apartment and there was this thing that looked like a bag and I was watching my mom's dog and I let the dog go near the bag and it was a fucking sleeping turkey at like 6:30 in the morning. This thing fucking woke up, fucking looked at me, gobbled, and then took flight. I was like, I didn't even know those motherfuckers can fly. Yo, what up, Mo, bro? Yeah. No, I see my old apartment. Like I see the I see where I lived. Yeah. Bro, that's crazy. That's my building. Wow. Yeah, I was basically where the turnpike and 18 kind of meet those garden apartments there. Yeah, because I used to go shopping on 18. I mean, because I went to school not far from there. Yeah, I was at school not too far from there. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. I found it once I saw the name of the street where I was at, I knew exactly that was the one. Yep. That's crazy. Yeah, I think I even remember the address. I just put it in. Ho, 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 ho. Yo! Ah, that's so crazy. I remember the number and my letter as well. Holy shit. Yep. Bro, that's crazy. Okay, I was actually one building shifted over from where I thought I was. But yeah. Which kind of makes sense now that I look at the configuration. Wow. Brings back memories, man. That was like half a life ago. I was 20. I was 22 when I was living there. Yo, what up, Ivy? Today there will be a long stream. I don't know. I'm trying to catch a move here. What up, Mo, bro? Let me enter the duck race, actually. Yeah. Crazy. Duck race. But yeah, things are that's crazy. I was 20 years ago. I lived there. Does it feel like 20 years? Bro, it feels like a long time ago I lived there. Honestly, it feels maybe like 15, 20 years ago. Yo, definitely talk about our feelings in the park. I mean, how far is that from Princeton? Was that like 30 minutes from Princeton, probably? It was funny. Back then, I had no money, though. Like, I just got done with college. I was still in college. I was doing my master's program. I was doing my master's program, and I want to say, yeah, you're about. Where was I? For purposes of the stream, you can put in the Walmart Super Center in East Brunswick. Just so people don't start fucking being like pretending they're me. But yeah. Walmart East Brunswick Superstore. Which I don't even think was there when I was there. I don't remember it at least. Bro, those were the days that I would fucking make raviolis and eat raviolis like 3 nights in a row, or then buy like they had a pizza deal where you bought 2 pizzas, and I'd have like pizza 5 nights in a row. Ivy, I don't think that's true. Halo Pub? No, it's Halo Farms, and it's in Trenton, New Jersey. Ivy, that's not true. Not true. No, Halo Farms is a farm in Trenton that was crazy. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know Halo Pub was in print. I didn't know that. But yeah, it's a Halo Farms. Oh, you're in Hamilton, dude? No way. Dude, that's awesome. But yeah, so I used to go to Trenton. I used to go to Halo Farms all the time. We used to get the ice cream there. Yeah, dude, believe me, I know exactly where it is. Yeah. There's only a couple schools I could have gone to. There's Rutgers, TCNJ, Rider. Those are the only 3 schools that I know around there. But yeah, dude, those were the days. I'm looking to take a short here. I don't know where we're gonna open, but if we go under my trigger, I'm gonna buy short and I'm not really looking to play the upside overnight, to be honest with you guys. It just You're just north of Princeton. I'm just not looking to take this fucking up. It's just the setup for the short is there. It's just, is it going to break and come down, maybe into this zone? I don't know. If it continues up and if we invalidate this inversion, then I would probably say we're gonna continue up probably 200 more points or so. I would be looking for probably to touch the pivot point, something stupid where I'm not holding it. Yo, what up? What up, Myth? You're looking for short 2 out the gate here? Like, I think the short plays out. I think this hour that we come out, we can't invalidate this. And I kind of don't even want to go above 27. And I just kind of want to put in an hourly candle that goes below 89. And then I stop out up here and I just kind of watch it maybe trade down. We invalidate this. Then I don't fucking know at that point. At that point, I'm not going to swing it overnight. Some guy just turned 200K into 35 million bucks. I'm not even going to get into that. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm not waiting, but obviously I'm not going to buy it in the first 5 minutes. But people have asked, because we've been doing this in Discord pretty much. We've been getting in these swings overnight. So I just figured I'd pop on here for a little bit, say what's up, and grab it. Boom, 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 boom. Know what I'm saying? Joom here. Yo, where is Joom at? Where is Joom at? Anybody actually know? Could somebody tell me where he's at? So I got my yellow duck with me. Dude, my kid brings this in here and I just can't stop fucking playing with it. It's like heavy though. It's got like foam, or it's got like almost like a shaving cream type substance in there. It's like heavy. I'm like, dude, don't bring this in because now I'm gonna freaking be playing with it all day. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, we're about to open. And we're live. Dude, I want to fucking take this. I'm not doing this in a lot of accounts. I'm just letting you know. No. It's NQ. I'm only doing it in one account right now. I just want to see how it plays. I'm only doing it in one account. Fool's gold. Some foosball. Mama said I can't play foosball. It's the devil's game. Baba, I don't want you playing any of that foosball. Oh, man. Today I took a long position right at open. Nice, Ivy. Well, we shall see. We shall see. I'm literally stopping out. I'm stopping out up there. If it goes higher, it goes higher. I will add to this position. So I am looking to add to this position right here. I'll show you why. Yo, what's up? Any new people watching? Say what's up in the chat. I want to hear from you. So you kind of got, I guess you could call this a rising wedge right back into this inverted fair value gap. We rejected it and we spilt over. I really feel like if we can get over 25, get under 25.90, it will probably flush out. At 25.90, I will add in more accounts. What up, G-Man? 25.90 is where I'm looking to take my real short position at. Anything else is just a feeler position, I guess you call it. It's one of those positions that I'm in. It just helps me, it's just, I know I'm looking to add if we break. And if we don't break, I'm okay. That's all. It's just a feeler position. I just got to taste a little, wet my beak a little bit. And I really want to see this, though, come down. And I want to see it come down under here and go down. I wanted to see it go down. That's what I'm looking for. Can it go up? Yes. Can I lose? Yes. I am okay with the risk. That is the key. I'm okay with the risk. Listen, if it goes over that, it's invalidated. You're not going to win 100% of your trades. I'm okay with it. You know what I'm saying? And that's fine. I know, though, if it does break, I'm in for a big win. I'm in for a big win, and that's it. But this is what I have been looking at. I've been stalking it. I've been lying in the weeds, watching this, create this play, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, I want to see it under 90, and that will trigger me really in. Right now, it's just playing with me. If you want to enter the duck race, enter the duck race. It's freaking up. Oh. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, how did everybody's day go? Yo, what up, Andy? There's 22 people in here. Say what's up. Come hang out. I'm fully ported. I am not fully ported. Hell nah. Fully ported. I'm just setting up my orders on my other accounts. Take a partial port. I got one mini. Come on, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Got to set my orders in there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What up, Dreamer? Come on. I am just setting my Shiznik up. I'm just trying to think if that's enough. Man, I might take a 5-piece McNugget right here. I want to see what happens. Yo! Some DJing, baby. Some DJing. Yo, if we have anybody new on here, I want to hear from some new people. Say what's up, new people. By the way, if you're new and you want to hang out and have some fucking fun, hang out in the Discord. Might play poker later on. Might play poker. I don't know. We do a bunch of shit over there. A bunch of shiznick. Come on, baby. Don't make me look bad. Don't make me look bad in front of everybody. Yo, what up, Lewis? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. What time is the baseball game? The Yankee game? I think 8:05. I'll tell you right now. 8:08 to be exact. I'm not gonna. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Yo, what up, Desus? Yo, big game. Yo, huge. Loser goes home, man. Loser goes home. Goes home packing, baby. I hope the Yankees win. I'm gonna watch it. Oh, did I fucking post this in the wrong Yeah, I did. Fucking. I did. Am I from Long Island? I am. Are you from Long Island also? Dude, let's go Yankees, man. What do I think about Lucid? I've had accounts with Lucid. Um, oh damn, Tigers beat Indians. Um, what do I think about Lucid? Yeah, I mean, seems legit. Yeah, I don't know. Everyone's got discounts. Here's a list of all the discounts from all the prop firms in one spot. What up, Glacier? What do I think is better? I think probably Tradeify. If I had to guess, I have funded accounts with Tradeify. I think what was the one thing Lucid had? I was like, let me just look. I'll look for you. Why I just wait for this freaking market to give it up. Oh, Lucid has a daily loss limit. Oh, well, so does, what do you call it? So does Tradeify. Reset fee is $5 more on Lucid. Yo, you're a Boston fan? I'll be honest with you. I watch no baseball. Doesn't it concern you that the company's address is not listed? I didn't even look because I'm not. I had 2 accounts with them. That is weird. Go with Tradeify. BK, I don't watch baseball at all until the playoffs. Do I think the Yankees are going to win it? Probably not, but it just gives us something to watch at night. That's all. Just gives me something to watch at night. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm saying, no, I'm saying. 808. Dude, I want to see this thing just dump it. I want a big old amber turd. That's what I need. Oh, you're just not a Yankees fan? Yeah, I mean, listen. Who's left in this thing, anyways? I could definitely. Who would I root for? Dude, I would love to see the Phillies win it. I would love to see the Phillies win it. It would be cool if like Milwaukee wins it. I don't want to see the Dodgers win it, to be honest. Yes, Steven, you could trade it now if you want. You could definitely trade it now. Phillies had the Mets curse for. Bro, their payroll's crazy how they do that shit. How it's all just freaking deferred money. I'd like to see Detroit win it. I'd root for Detroit. I'd root for here. I would root for Milwaukee. I'd root for the Phillies. I'd root for Seattle. Probably the Cubs. Yankees, obviously. Detroit or Cleveland, I'm in on both. Uh, yeah, I'm pretty like, yeah, that's what's good. That's the one thing that's good about Tradeify is they have the daily loss limit that if you do some stupid shit, they'll stop you for the day. They have the stupid shit blocker. They could scam you. But you got to remember, they're built on their word. So if their word is worth nothing, uh, they're probably going to, you know, if their word is worth nothing, yo, this is just an eval. So I want to try passing this shit, to be honest with you. Yo, Scott had a US address. That did not work out well. Yo, what up, strange trader? Yeah, it doesn't matter. They can scam you wherever they want to scam you. Be all scammy and shit. You know, that is not a thing. You know, if they're gonna scam you, they're gonna scam you. You know, I wouldn't really worry about that. I would just be worried about getting your payouts. Making good trades is what I'd worry about. I'd worry about good trades. I'd be worried about stuff like that. Yo, well, you know what? I told people on the stream that they can come on and ask questions and shit, and this is a good time to do it. I also said I was looking for the short tonight. I want to see it under 25.90. I took like a feeler position, you know, just kind of testing the waters out. I'm dipping my toe in it. Yeah. Here, this is what it. Here you go. You want to see what it's like? Yo, this is what my feeler position's like. I'm just dipping my toe in the water a little bit. That's all. That's all I'm doing. Yo. If you guys want to hang out, Discord's free. That's the link. Yo, I'm going to DCA 10 times. Market was super odd today. You know, I'll be honest with you. I normally don't trade this time because there's no reason to honestly trade at this time. It's just algos and stuff like that. It just so happens that the chart kind of lines up with this hour, the next hour, being where I want to kind of take it. So that's kind of why I came on. I came on because I said something on the stream. I didn't want to disappoint everybody or anybody that popped on. But honestly, over the long term, I probably wouldn't be trading 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. I bet you if you are taking trades during this time, you're probably losing the majority of them. There's a lot of fake outs and things like that. And you should probably just wait till after 8 o'clock or after 8:30 to get into actual like Asia time when more volume. But yeah, it just so happens that everything kind of lines up for now. So that's why I jumped on. IU front New York City. Yeah, man. Oh, am I from? I'm not from New York City. I am not from New York City, but I am in New York. Market don't go sideways because I need no. Yo, it looks like we're setting up poker in the Discord. If anybody wants to play later on, I think it usually goes off around 8. Feel free to pop on. Where's my duck, baby? Have you seen my duck? Have you seen my baseball? It's funny how Staten Island is a borough and Long Island isn't. Yeah, Long Island's a separate thing. The best is if you live in Brooklyn or Queens, technically you're on Long Island, but they don't consider it, but they are. But yeah, as soon as you cross the Queens border, it definitely changes. Yo, if you followed me, you're up $7. You're up $2.12. Don't tell you I don't bring you bangers. Yo, you're up. Smash the confetti. You're up $2. Oh man. You did not win. You did not win. Nobody hit. Nah, Whammy didn't come through. They won an account. I'm waiting for some whammies to come through. Nobody wants to hit the whammy. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Stop. Yo, the duck race is open if you guys want to join. It's !Cove Trader, and you could join the OG duck race. If you've seen any duck races throughout any of the prop firm niche, I'm just letting you know that I fucking started it over a year ago. That's true story. I started it over a year ago. The duck races, all those races that you see from that website, you can just fucking thank me for bringing it to the prop firm niche. True story. I'm from the city, from Manhattan. Oh, that's cool, man. My wife and kids are in the city right now. Fucking unload this, man. I have 2 whammies, but I also added other accounts. I added funded next accounts. I added a couple other accounts. I got them other accounts. What time frame for Asia again? Technically, I guess I think like the ICT guys, it's 8 o'clock. Well, 8 o'clock starts Asia. Yeah, 2000 out. Yeah, 8 o'clock. I love your videos. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. I try to help out everybody. Yo, is this fucking working? Is this working? Look at this shit. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Just unload it. Good morning from Florida. Oh, what up, Red? What up? What up? Yeah, I'm home alone. I'm about to go get sushi in a little bit. About to let's go get some sushi while I fucking hammer this NQ. I am debating on what I want to do. come on, just give us the freaking, give us the dump. Give us like just a freaking all-out dump to like 76. Did you make the quota of $15? Wait, what's the $15 things? Yo, you're on the boat heading to the Norfolk? That's cool, man. Dude, I'm master debating on what I want to do here. The problem is I get from this one sushi place, they dump all this fucking mayo all over this bitch. Like, bro, they're like all over my face. And I'm like, oh, fuck. That's how the freaking spicy mayo is. With no warning either. Not even a little warning. Let's see. Yo, Luis, you said you're from Huntington, right? Are you still on or you left? Yeah. Trying to knock out this 72-hour fast. Dude, I love that shit, man. Trying to, yeah. How many hours are you into it, Jay Styles? How many hours are you into the fast? Because I have one tip that will help you out. Yo, how do you go to Samurai Hibachi, Samurai Sushi or whatever, Huntington Village? Are you over there in Huntington, or where are you in Huntington? Like by the village, or oh shit. Yeah. I'm just curious, are you in the village? Boom, 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 boom. Jay Styles, how many hours are you in? Oh yeah, Kashi. Close to, oh, you're closest. Yeah. I know where it is. Dude, I might grab sushi from that place tonight. That's why. I got the website up right now. It's a little bit of a drive, but I'll probably grab it. Bro, so I do the fasts longer than 48 hours, G-Man. So here's the tip. Basically, if you just get a ton of blowjobs the whole time, hunger, you really don't even think about the hunger. You just kind of keep it going. So just tell your girl, if you want me to be healthy, and you want me to hit 72 hours, I'm going to need your help. And then you don't even think about being hungry. True story. Yeah, no, you drink water. It's to basically reset your body. Yo, if you took the short, you're up at least 10 points. Yo, give me a fucking internet high five. Yo, I want to see you guys slapping the fucking high five. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, pound, baby. Who gave you that? Boom. Yo, I'm going to break even right here. I'm going to break even because this is going to be a free trade for me. For me. For me. This is a fucking free trade for me. For me. That's how I motherfucking roll. Yo, if you didn't grab this, sorry, man, you missed out. Actually, you can just cash out right here. I might cash this one out right here, to be honest with you. Only because this account was down today, and this would give me 100. Yo, I fast Ron for a month. Yo, for a month, bro? I'm not fasting for a month. But we can, you can eat and drink after sunset? I pretty much do that now. I don't eat until like 1 o'clock. Yo, no BJ allowed? It sounds kind of bad. Yo, who the fuck took this trade? Yo, straight bangers. That's all I'm bringing. I'm bringing you straight bangers every day. Be sure to be on the stream tomorrow. Shit. Yo, just remember who got you in this fucking trade. Oh, shit. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, I'm just cashing out like a mofo. I'm just cashing out. Yo, do the fucking, yo, boom. Yo. Yo, you guys fucking. Yo, you better tell everybody where the fucking, look at this. Yo, just remember who fucking told you to jump in. Man. Dude, I still trade with everybody, man. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, smash the confetti. Smash the fucking like button. Be sure to tell everybody. Tell grandma. Be like, yo, grandma, you had to fucking be there. This guy fucking smashed this shit. Yo, if your Furu didn't tell you to get in this short, I don't know what you're doing. You better fucking ask for a refund. Oh, baby. Yo. Yo. Did you pass your Lucid's Cove? No, I wasn't trading Lucid. I just smashed 137, 70, 478, 300, 288. These are all, this is a funded account. This is not a funded account. That's a funded account. This one over here for 137 is a funded account. Yo, if your Furu didn't tell you to go short up here, I can't help you out. Yeah. You should ask him, why can't you read the market like that? Oh, shit. That was such an easy layup, too. Like, I'm just going to keep it reals. This was an easy fucking layup. This might even go further. Because we're in Asia, we might bounce back up and then back down. Just because that's how Asia operates with the lack of volume. Also, I'm going to be heading to go get fucking some sushi in a little bit. Dude, I think you're going to end up all the way down here probably by the end of the night. Somewhere here, probably. Bro, gotta be on the stream. Shit was fucking layup. Layups. What do I want? Spicy crunch tuna topped with seared black with Japanese cream sauce. I'm probably going to skip out on the Japanese cream sauce. I'm just going to be honest with you, man. Trading is not hard if you just know what you're looking for and proper risk management. Just keeping it reals. When keeping it reals. Yo, G-Man. Boom. Dude. Yo. Smashed. Fucking smashed. Such a freaking layup. Yo, a tuna fantasy roll? I don't think I want a tuna fantasy roll. You're still holding? All you got to do is hold. All you got to do is hold. Yo, just remember, if you banged that short, you technically don't have to fucking trade the rest of the day. Like, who's not happy with that? You know, now you just wait. I think we're going to come back up. You're going to retest 90 or so, and then we're going to roll over. That's my opinion. I could be wrong. Just remember that. You guys like when I stream this time? I'm just curious. You guys like when I stream it at this hour? Obviously, all you guys that fucking banked probably like it. Everyone that banked is freaking slapping the freaking, yeah. But you guys like it, or should I not stream at 6? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah? What the fuck is toasted fresh salmon? I don't know. Dude, I want you guys to learn what I'm looking for so you guys can do the same trades if I'm not streaming. You know what I'm saying? Like, you should learn what to look for. Like, I drew all of this out on the stream earlier today. Like, we were in a rising wedge, we broke, and then you have an inversion right here. Like, this is a straight up fucking short. Like, we inverted this on the 5. Technically, like, that should have been the entry. But, you know, that was happened at 4:30. So obviously I wasn't taking that. But now look, you got to look, right? We fell into this breaker, right? We held this breaker. So we held 72. If they pop this back out of 92 to the upside, the short might be invalidated because they might push this all the way back up, right? You got to watch how this plays in here. You want to see if they project it out, and now we're trading back at 107, 108. That's not an A-plus setup anymore. Like, you know, you don't want to come out and then up and then up. You would like to stay in, reject. You don't want to go above. You know, what you definitely don't want is like a green candle to come back up above, you know, like 101, 103. Oh, expansion theory. Oh, I got to look into that. Yo, BK. Awesome, man. I don't know what happened, but I made money. That sounds like a good freaking problem. Dude, after just slamming today really good and then this, I got my Jeep top off, about to blast some fucking music and go pick up some sushi. It's a pretty good day. Go watch the Yankees. Can't really complain with that. You know what I'm saying? I got an absurd amount of sushi, just an FYI. Do I care? No. I definitely got a lot of fucking sushi though. Yo, I mean, what type of Jeep do I have? I have a Rubicon. It's slightly lifted, bigger wheels on it. I posted the picture in the Discord. I've seen you in there. It's a nice fucking Jeep. All right, so guys, back up and watch this. Right, you now have a 5-minute inversion to the upside. Right, I am completely out of the short now. That's not what you want, because now what you have is technically, I just want to show you guys that aren't on the stream a lot. See how we dumped? Now you have an inversion to the upside, right? We come up here. You're going to want to see this trade back down and then up. My whole bias, you got to go with what the market gives you, right? So we already banged the short. Now, I'm not playing this because I'm going to get fucking food. I'm going to watch the Yankee game. But, you know, you come down, you want to trade down and then back up. And what you want is you want this candle right here to hold. So you want 078 to hold. You don't want to close under 178. Technically, you could have taken this long. If this was during the day, I would have taken this long at like 86. Right? I would have taken this long at 86. Obviously, everything is smaller after hours because, you know, it looks big, but the candles are just small. But yeah. Yeah. So, you know, I'm just trying. I know there's new people here probably hanging out that aren't typing. So I'm just trying to explain to them what I look for that makes me money. Like, look, that's why, see this indicator that prints, that means we've swept. You took, right? We took these lows out. We took these lows, right? You took these lows. We've taken this. So you've swept some inside liquidity and then boom, back up and take it up. It's not like I'm not, this is like the basics of, you could just run this and make trades. You know, I'm out on the short now. I got the short. We all made, you know, I made it and I'm done. It's one of these indicators. I'll show you. I use 3 indicators. It's one of these 3. And my settings are different though. You want me to put my settings in here? I'll put my settings in here. Hold on. So my settings, I have a video about it. You can see the settings because each one has their own settings. And this is the settings. I'll just... So here's the YouTube video and my settings. All right, guys. I mean, you guys, someone that's brand new, I hope you learned something, at least kind of visualizing what I see. I'll joke around a lot on the stream, guys, because listen, you don't want to be fucking dull. You don't want to be like sitting here all day like, oh, you know, and then this is going here. Oh, this is here. Oh, my indicator. You don't want to be fucking listening to somebody who's dull. So I try to joke around a lot. but I just want you guys to know what I'm thinking, why I'm joking around. Yes. Yes, no, maybe. Oh, man. I'm waiting for this fucking thing to go. Yo, later, BK. Dude, I'm just waiting. Honestly, the fucking site's not I don't know what's wrong with the site. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, I called it out before it happened. I had my levels marked out. I had my feeler position in. I had my ad in. I had my take profit in. And yeah, I mean, there's not, it's everything you want, right? And now we've come right back up. I just want to make sure I'm not in anything. Just making sure my fucking orders are closed. Yeah, I mean, smash for a bunch. All right. If you're new here, yo, subscribe below. I stream live during the day, every day. Subscribe below. The Discord link is in the description of this video also. Here's a link to all the prop firm discounts for a ton of different prop firms. And if you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. I hope you learned something today. I take trades like this all the time. So if you want to hang out, learn, and whatnot, come on the stream. I'm going to pick up sushi. And yeah, had a pretty good way to start off the next trading session. So hopefully I see you guys tomorrow or in Discord later on. All right. Peace. Oh, you know what? For you new guys, yo, I got something special for you new guys. Yo. Oh, yeah. Hit the like. It's the easiest way to support the channel. For you new guys that are just sitting there and don't want to say anything, I'll hit you with, yo, this is the anthem.
I'm a train that can spin in the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won.
Yo, somebody right now is like, what the fuck is going on right now? Yo.
like to have fun and make money, come during the day.
Do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race.